Wow, look at that one. Oh, it's beautiful. Which way now? This way, I think. We're getting close. Look, Alex, a glowing butterfly.
Wow.
It's so pretty, Lily. I've never seen one like this before. Me neither. It's magical. Whoa, a river. Oh no, it's blocking the path. Look, we can cross on those stones. Good idea. Let's go. Look, Alex, the trail keeps going over there. You're right, Lily. Let's cross. I think the stream is faster here than I thought. Looks a bit deep, too. Wow, look at that, though. A giant pile of smooth stones. Perfect. See, we can use these big pebbles and then build a bridge here.
Oh, I get it.
Yeah, that's perfect. Let's do it. I'm ready. Let's find some pebbles. Okay, here we go. Ugh, come on. Just a little further. Almost got it. Just gotta hold it steady. Hold on, I'll help you. Okay, put your hands here. 1, 2, 3, lift. Yeah, we got it. Let's take it to the water.
Wow, that was huge. Whew.
Look, I found the mossy one. Cool. And that marks our spot. We're here.
Okay, here we go.
Yes, I did it. Look what I did.
Be careful, Alex.
Whoa, it's moving.
Oh no, it's gonna fall.
Ugh, there must be a better one. Oh. Aha, perfect. Alex, look what I found. It's so weird. Wow, Lily, what is that? Almost there. You got it, Alex. Perfect. Look at that, Lily. We did it. Yes, I did it. Did it. Yay, Alex, you balanced it. Good job. All right, here goes nothing. Okay, seems solid. Whoa, that was close. There it is. Look at that. Oh, no. Whoa. Oh, whoa. Yeah, I got you. Thanks, Lily. All right, this is it. Look at this place. Wow, look at that. Oops. Whoa. Oh, no. La 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 la. Whoa. Gasp. Oh, no. Oops. Are you okay? I can't believe it's gone. I should have been faster. Reach out. I've got you. Okay. Thanks, Lily. It broke. We worked so hard. Maybe we can try again. Yeah, we can build it together. See? The round stones roll down the curve because they have no corners, unlike the jagged rocks. See? There's nowhere flat here.
You're right, nowhere at all.
Exactly.
All right, time to build.
Look at this. Perfect. Wow. Look at this huge tree. These branches are perfect. Alex, look, over there. Wow, Lily, what is it? It's amazing. Check it out. Whoa, you are right. I think this branch is strong enough. Yep, it held. Together, on the count of 3. 1, 2, 3. Yes, we did it. Perfect fit. All right, first branch down. And the second. Perfect. We have a bridge. Perfect, this one goes here. Great job, Lily. Looks sturdy. We're almost done, Alex. Teamwork makes the dream work. Now, weave it under here and over the next one. I got it. That's it, Lily. It's so stable now.
All right, time to lock this down.
Just a little more pressure. Got it! Yes! It's perfect. It's locked. Check it out.
Wow. Okay.
Let's see if it's safe. Phew, it's solid. Okay, one step at a time. Oh, almost there. Wow, it's beautiful up here. I think I found it. Let's go. Let's go. Ah, we made it.
You're amazing, Alex.
Look at that. We made it. All right, let's explore.
All right.
Yeah.
Ready to go?
Absolutely.